how to create a photo collage on Facebook story. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you create a photo collage on Facebook story. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Facebook with your account. Alright, so after you open the Facebook, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the option plus icon at the left hand side of your screen. So simply tap on the option create a story. Alright, so from the section create a story, tap on the option select multiple. Alright, so from here you'll have to just scroll down and choose the multiple pictures whom you want to add as an collage on your Facebook story. Alright, so in my case I will select these photos from here, and after you done it, tap on next, just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so simply from here tap on the option photo collage. Alright, so as you can see, I have successfully created a photo collage on my Facebook story. So in this way, you can also create in a simple and easiest way photo collage on your Facebook story. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.